We've come up on another epic crossing. Oh! Amazing! Oh god! Dad! Dad! I did it!
You're amazing.
I know I'm amazing. Slipping in the snow like a G6.
Like a G6.
I think it's a plane engine or something. One of my friends told me that's like a jet engine. Oh god, another one! Oh! Oh god. Oh! Oh! Dad, how are you gonna solve this? Are you freaking out?
I'm being silly. Obviously. Obviously. Obviously.
Oh god, he's doing it. Alright. I don't know if I can do this. Oh god, he threw a log in the way. You bastard. Ah! 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 Did it.
You owned it. You totally owned it.
Yeah, like a G6.
Like a G6, like a G6.
Getting slizzard.
When we drink, we do it, getting slizzard.
This is even more epic because the water is not running. Oh! Oh god! Oh god! Dad?
See you later, buddy.
But I can't swim! How do you expect me to get across? I gotta try. Oh! Oh! Damn it, I really fell in.
I wonder how much this one gives. I didn't give it all. Awesome.
Dude. Hello.
Hi.
You know what I've noticed about being in Colorado? People are so much more friendly than back in Texas.
Well, especially when we're out doing stuff like this. In the city, not necessarily.
Oh, really?
If we work downtown, we know that, right?
Are they nicer than in Dallas?
That's about the same.
Oh! Oh! Crater! Creek! Ah!
Oh, I see what he's talking about right here.
Oh, Landon, I need you to take the camera.
Huh?
I need you to take the camera so you can film me getting across.
Got it. My turn.
Landon, look! Wild bonbons!
Yum!
Oh! You know, nature is so beautiful.
So that was raging water.
Are you serious? That's what it was? That was raging water?
What's downstream, that's for sure.
Not me.
You did say the bridge is almost washed out. Why are you walking?
Dude, this looks like a bed, kind of. Like something left its indention in there. Amazing. I have to say, I'm enjoying this one more than the last one. There's so many epic jumps. You have to cross so many epic bridges like that. What are you gonna do, Dad?
Where's the trail ticket?
Right over there.
Okay.
Dad, what are you gonna do?
At all.
Dude, my socks have gotten wet twice and they're already dry. Whoa.
Thanks, dude.
Dude, Dad was just saying he
Somebody
didn't.
built something.
On the,
Right there.
Huh? What is that?
was this the Lulu whatever?
Already?
You want to go look at
I
it?
think there'd be a sign.
You guys want to go look at it?
It does look like part of the cabin though.
Let's go look.
Red, but they
Let's
might
go.
keep you.
Might keep me. What the hell? Are you? What movie is that from?
Various.
Various.
There's another one right there.
Oh, look at that bridge.
Oh, okay. I have to do
Yeah.
this. I have to do this.
Oh my God. Landon. Oh my God.
The bridge is bendable.
Yay, you made it. Let's go check this thing out. What was this? Like a stable?
Started making those how long ago?
What was this? Like a stable or something? This was a cabin? Landon, don't throw sticks. No, this one was definitely an outhouse. Look at how big it is. Surely you can see
You were
that.
aiming at me when you said, "Look how big it is."
Oh God, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Someday maybe.
Look, another sign. Privy? Is that what it says? It says, Landon, stop moving it. Oh my God, it really does. Privy! Privy! It says privy.
Oh, look, a bench.
A bench? That's a bench?
You ready to sit down?
That means there's an outhouse.
I thought that was the Mexican warthog.
You want to eat?
There's something pollen or something in there. Did I need to use the bathroom?
Hey, there's a fallen tree back there.
There's an outhouse over there.
Really?
There's an outhouse?
That's what a privy is.
Oh, it even shows a picture of an outhouse. Look to the right of it.
Oh, a privy's an outhouse.
This way, right?
For any of you in the audience that didn't know what a privy is, it's an outhouse. I'm gonna follow my brother as he goes to it. Creeper, 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 creeper. Creeper, 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 creeper.
I don't see an outhouse.
Is it that thing way over there?